Hello everyone, my name is Richard from Zappos.com, and today we're checking out this fantastic toiletry kit from Briggs and Riley. You are going to wonder how you were ever able to travel without this awesome toiletry kit right here. It's constructed out of a proprietary two-tone nylon twill outer fabric here. It's got a nice sleek feel to it, and it's of course incredibly durable. Still super lightweight too, so it'll be easy for travel. It's gonna resist wear, moisture, dirt, abrasions, really gonna help keep your stuff protected. Got your handles there, of course, on top, so you can carry it easily with a hook back here that tucks away, so you don't have to have that out. But when you get where you are going, you can hang this up in your hotel room, in the bathroom, or wherever you are. Got a little zipper pocket here in the front for those items you want to access quickly. And then of course, these zippers that go all the way around to open up the main compartment. Here on the inside, you'll see this guy folds out. We're gonna have this pocket right here with this guy in the back. Now that's fantastic. It's made out of this sturdy plastic material to keep your stuff protected, of course. And then this zipper pocket here that comes undone and opens up like so. It's got a nice solid base to it too, with a sturdy lining in there to keep everything protected and organized. Traveling with all your essentials has never been easier, so don't miss out on this. It's from Briggs and Riley.